In this video, I'll be showing you how to check all your apps' passwords saved on Android phone. It's an easy tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, your saved passwords are split between Samsung's own Security Vault and Google's cross-platform manager. So firstly, the Samsung Past. This is what you want to do is go over to your settings application, scroll down until you find security and privacy. Once you go ahead and find it, click on it. Then once I'm in here, all I want to do is go ahead and scroll down, and I'm going to see more security settings as one of the options. So go ahead and click on that. Scroll down again. I'm going to see passwords, passkeys, and autofill. Go ahead and click on that. Then I can just go over to Samsung Pass, and then I can find any passwords that are saved there. What I could also do is just go over to Google, and it's going to show my Google Password Manager. Go ahead and click on it, and then I can see different passwords that I have saved over on my Google Password Manager as well. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through, and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.